Sir, pakikwento niyo po kung ano yung mga movie niyo na ginawa
sa New Zealand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we did Lost and Found, directed by Direk Louie, and then starring Paolo Contis, Kelly Day, and Yuki Sonoda. Then the other film, directed by Ludwig Peralta naman, Summer Rain, which stars R.C. Munoz and JC Santos as lead. Do I also mention the other characters? No na.
Pwede po.
Dun sa Summer Rain? Sa Summer Rain, we also have si Kelly Day, Ethan Rosales, and Marco Gomez na meron silang roles as the friend naman ni JC Santos. Then the last one that nagawa din doon is Hiram with Ethan Rosales, si Iris, and si Princess as the leading ladies naman.
Anong pangalan ng production niyo, sir?
Vibe Studios.
Okay.
Yes.
Bakit yun ang pangalan?
Vibe Studios, originally ang partner, yung partner ko kasi doon is Peralta and I'm Villaflor.
Okay.
So kaya siya naging Vibe. Yun yung history ng name.
VI tsaka PE.
Yes, exactly. VI tsaka PE. Si Direk Ludwig yun. Kami yung original pa since 2010. We've been producing films. I mean, we started with corporate and may teleserye kami na Nandel. We had the post-production na din. And then so 2010, 2012, mga 2015, nag-dwell na kami with TV show din. Producing the film, ang nabago lang for me here is this is a full length. It's our first full length to produce. Ngayon lang kami nagkaroon ng opportunity and ngayon lang talaga kami nakapag-concentrate na magpelikula na. Kasi we've been busy with, pre-pandemic, we've been busy with our clients, na ibang businesses, kanya-kanyang ginagawa. Yung production namin, tuloy lang kung ano yung project na nandyan. But this time around, after the pandemic, nabago yung mundo, nagkaroon na ng streaming services. When I met with Ate Len, doon nga namin nabuo tong, tara, let's build something for Netflix, and so here we are now.
Sa ano po doon sa tatlo yung una talagang
Papalabas.
Na-produce mo? Ano po kino-consider niyo?
Na first?
Yes, sa tatlo.
From the three? It's hard to say kasi lahat hindi pa na-edit eh. But if it were from filming, the first was si Lost and Found pala with Direk Louie. Yes, due to schedules kasi din, we had to film Lost and Found first and then Summer Rain after. But oo nga no, parang if you would consider which it's,
ano yung first
yes, it's hard to say.
Ano yung unang may papalabas?
Mahirap din masabi.
Ano yung matapos na...
Yeah. Kasi...
Hindi ba mahirap si isang katulad mo ng baguhang producer tapos sa international kinunan yung Mike Sen?
Come again, kung mahirap?
Hindi ba mahirap si isang baguhang tulad mo na producer tapos sa international?
I see. I wouldn't say na I'm still quote-and-quote baguhan because we've been filming like abroad nang may travel show kami before. So yeah, we did the travel show with Kelly Misa for Studio 23. Kami yung nag-shoot and kasama din doon. So ang nabago lang this time,
maraming kasama.
Yes.
Pelikula na.
Yes, and skeletal force ka eh. Yun yung challenges. Parang everybody has to do something na hindi lang porke yun yung role mo, yun yung gagawin mo. Parang lahat kayo, you're all there with one goal na matapos ng maayos yung shoot. So, it doesn't necessarily mean na yan yung role mo, hindi ka natutulong dito pero nakita mo nang may need doon. Everyone helps around. Ganun siya.
Lumabas po ba kayo sa film?
I will have to recall. I think, yes. Hanapin na lang kung saan. Yes. Yes.
Ano pa yung mga gusto mong i-produce sa Dave na pelikula? Klaseng pelikula.
Okay, so Lost and Found and Summer Rain, pareho siyang may side of drama eh. Nandiyan yung tipong lalaki, babae, bata, matanda. Ang ending parang, these are grown men ha.
Maapektuhan sila.
Nag-film, tumutulo yun, diba? So sabi ko nga kay Ate Len, "Nay, after this comedy na lang gawin natin." Kasi sabi ko, ayoko na, linis-linis na ng mata ko. Dahil, yun lang, maybe
So next comedy na.
maybe we would want to do something like horror kasi challenging din siya gawin, but maybe comedy, lalo na kung si Paolo rin uli, grabe yung taong yung magpatawa, and nagulat ako na grabe rin pala siya talaga mag-drama. Yeah, it's really good. Sobrang galing. Tsaka ang ganda dito with this pro actors, parang during take, in character sila. Pag-cut, normal.
Next na.
Yes, ang galing. It's like an on-off switch na parang, how do they do that, di ba? It only shows na sobrang, yes.
Galing talaga.
Yes,
Sir,
magaling.
ano po kayo sa Vibe? CEO ba? Or paano ba namin lalagay ng mga ito?
Executive producer, ano?
That I am not sure because I have so many titles. Probably owner? Yes.
Isa sa mga bossing.
Yes, the owner
Of Vibe.
of Vibe Studios, yes.
Executive producer.
Yes,
Executive producer.
Executive producer, yes.
Sir, sino ang pangarap mo na next produce mo na artist?
Wow.
Yung panaginip mo na sana itong artista.
Oh. Parang wish na may magawa kami.
Kahit someday, kahit hindi pa po.
Maybe si Juday.
Siguro.
Why si Juday?
Si Juday. Kasi isa rin yun sa known na mahusay. And right now, tahimik siya eh. So, parang pagka ginawan mo, napapayag mo siyang gumawa. It means the story is good.
Pag-uusapan.
Yes. I think si Juday.
Sir, anong challenge na na-encounter nyo sa New Zealand as producer?
Tatlong project.
Presyo.
Presyo.
Ang mahal doon, grabe. Like, if you want to hire people are paid by the hour. So, yes, by the hour sila doon. So, if you want to hire like cook, yung cook namin, kailangan namin makahanap. They charge by the hour, pero kailangan namin makahanap who's willing to accept na on a per day na rate. That's why. Then, the other challenge here is right-hand drive. So, even if we all know how to drive, you have to know the rules, yung roundabout, yung nakakalito kasi everything is baliktad. But eventually, after a while, once you get to know the rules ng pag-drive nila, sobrang dali doon mag-drive. Walang nanggigit-git, sumignal ka, nasa tama ka, pagbibigyan ka, basta nasa tama, nagbibigayan ng lahat. Yun naman yung ganda doon. Then, the other challenge is the weather. Dahil sobrang bipolar ng weather ng New Zealand. Yes. They have 4 seasons in one day. Na-experience namin na...
One day?
Yes. Within a day. So, nung day 1 namin in Auckland, malungkot na kami dahil baka hindi kami makapag-shoot. Gloomy. Like, drizzling, cloudy, overcast. Then, after an hour, doon maliwanag na. Next thing you know, we're filming like it didn't rain. Maliwanag na siya. Naka-encounter din kami na while on the road, umulan ng yelo. So, pag naghangin ng malakas, yun yung isa. Nag-film kami by the lake. So, doon kami halos sumatay-matay pare-pareho sa lamig. Yun yung mga challenge. And of course, because you're in another country, meron dyang mga racist people na biglang haharang na makikita panay kayo Pinoy or Asian. Parang, what are you doing? You can't do that here. You're not supposed to. Meron. So, day 1, scene 1, may gumanon sa amin.
Discrimination?
It happens. Parang, sabi na, do you have a permit to do this? Ganyan, ganito, ganyan. Tapos, buti na lang, we have permits too. Yes, we have. Pero, the point is, may nambubuli. Meron
Wala
na
naman sila authority ng manita.
Yes. parang trip lang nila. Yun.
Paano na-handle yun?
Nakausap naman ng maayos nung isang local na resident. And then eventually, he just walked away. So there.
Sir, speaking of international, paano ko ibigay sa iyo ang pag-produce ng life story ni Carlos Yulo? Payag po ba kayo? At sino ang pwede mong kuning artist?
Na-dream mo ulit.
Wow!
Dahil it's a big challenge yun.
Oo, parang sino?
Ang unang tanong muna, papayag ba kayo na
Kung gusto niyo ba
Produce,
ang life story niya, if ever?
Ako kasi parang ano ko eh.
Kasi ba drama din yung buhay ng mga...
Ako ang thinking ko parang when I see the story and I like the story, I'll produce it. Pero if I see the story, tas parang wala masyadong dating, and it's just about para kikita ka lang ganun, parang I'd rather do it something because I want to do it because I believe in the story, na gusto ko siyang buhayin, gusto ko siyang maikwento at maipakita.
So, ang focus mo sa story, hindi yung sikat, yung ano, nagiging top, like Carlos Yulo.
Well, kasi I think the story. But if mukhang maganda rin kasi yung drama niya eh, pwedeng i-consider. Pero challenge yung yung sino gaganap, na kayang magpatumbling-tumbling.
Saka yung
Ay,
height.
toro.
Yeah.
Yung height.
Tsaka yung ano niya, di ba?
Parang 4'11 lang yan.
Or maybe we could cast him as
Siya na
himself.
mismo. Pwede.
Workshop na lang natin siya.
Correct.
Para
Payag ka ba na maging artista mo rin siya? Kunin mong artista kasi parang willing naman siya mag-show.
I guess, yeah, pwede siguro. Yeah, kung we, kasi naniniwala naman ako pagka yung tao talaga gusto at gustong matuto, mag-aaral, mag-acting yun. Kasi ang isang mahirap with filming is the artists, the talents. Minsan parang all is well but yung artista may pinagdadaanan at hindi makakomply, parang yung bumibigat tsaka tumatagal.
Kasi yung iba sir na like yung kinukuha siya na endorser, nagdadalawang isip kasi nababas na binoboycott, diba?
Oh,
Diba yung mga ganon.
Pero anong challenge sa iyo sa pagka ginawa ko? Tingin niyo sir?
yes, I think,
Nahirapan.
yeah, oo nga. Parang napaisip ako doon Napaisip din ako if let's say totoo na i-offer at papagawa. Parang ano kasi yung ano yung magiging ikot. And then syempre you would want to mimic his training, pinagdaanan niya. So lipad kayo kung saan din. Yeah.
Pero, sir, anong mas gustong klase ng story ng